You're charged with intoxication manslaughter. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. R009218, State versus Marlon Daniels. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Megan Galloway for the state.
George Sharman on behalf of the defendant.
All right, counsel, I'm going to need you to speak up so the court reporter can hear.
I'm sorry, George Sharman on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Marlon Daniels.
All right. Counsel, in each cause number, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
We have, Judge.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And each cause number, Mr. Daniels, did you review the documents entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each cause number, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State and cause number ending in 18, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, and that cause number, the state is proceeding on count 1 and waiving count 2.
No
Any
objection.
objection? And the cause number ending in 29, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
The state is proceeding on count 1 and waiving count 2, Your Honor.
No objection.
Right. Mr. Daniels, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause, you're charged with intoxication manslaughter. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain in these cases?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Well, yes, we talked about that.
All right. Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Daniels, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, or re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Off the record for a moment. James Ultersdorf, I'm going to send you to number 1. All right, we're back on the record. And each of the cause numbers, according to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 18 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine, affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There are no applications, and the cases will run concurrently, and there's $60 restitution to DPS. Did you understand that to be your plea in each of the cause numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each of the cause numbers, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there many such motions?
No.
Then to count 1 in cause number 2024 CR 009218, how do you plea?
Guilty.
To count 1 in cause number 2024 CR 009219, how do you plea?
Guilty.
State in each of those cause numbers, is there any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. The state offers states 1 and attachments in each cause.
No objection.
Mr. Daniels, in each cause number, did you review the documents entitled waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty in each cause number. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
I've requested a PSI on the case.
All right, what's the purpose?
I gave it to you last week.
No, I mean, what's the purpose of the PSI?
Well,
Do you not want me to follow the plea?
no, the purpose of it is for you to see, the things that he's going to be doing. And it also helps to determine his, I guess, incarceration, what's going to happen to him there. And it gives them a basis of information about the case and about him.
But when he is incarcerated, they will do their process to see what would be appropriate, what treatment is appropriate for him.
I understand, but they have more things that they can do here to provide that information to the prison. And it's also a mandatory right that he has to
No, I
have.
mean, if you want a PSI, of course, I will give you a PSI. I just don't understand the purpose of the PSI when you both have agreed that he's to serve time in custody.
Yes, and if you read the case law that
No, I'm telling you, I understand that you're entitled to a PSI.
Yes.
I just don't understand the reason for it. I could see if I'm requesting a PSI because I've read the facts and maybe I'm not going to follow your plea bargain agreement, but he's agreed to prison time. I don't understand the need for a PSI. That's what I'm just trying to understand.
right, and the point is that here locally, when they do the PSI, they have more information than the prison will have on his background, his military, everything that he's doing in the community here in his education. They will have more information to take with him to the prison. They will not have the ability to do the things that they can do here.
All right. It's the court's understanding that they do have the ability to do that. However, you want a PSI, the court will give you a PSI. Ms. Abrams, see if they can expedite the PSI. And I will give you a date. You're going to be taken into custody today. And let me call and see if I can get a date. All right. Is there anything else?
That's all we have.
All right. Thank you. Yes.
We did have family here for victim impact statements because it is an agreement. Is there any way that he can be sentenced and then just have the PSI done?
No, once a PSI is requested, the court has to have it beforehand. If they want to give victim impact statement by Zoom, they're welcome to do that. If there's no objection, I'll see if I can call probation and get this expedited.
Okay.
Fine.
All right, we can go off the record.
Thank you.
Okay.